Iconix is a developer of software automation tools for a number of industries, including manufacturing, building automation, water, renewable energies, and energy systems. One of the major pain points that we're seeing is the convergence of mobility and bringing subject matter expertise to processes and applications in manufacturing. Our MobileHMI application delivers exactly what our customers are looking for.
MobileHMI enables operators, managers, anyone throughout the plant to access their data from wherever they are. They might need quick access to information. They might open the app, scan a QR code on that piece of equipment, and immediately they get those details for that machinery. One of the biggest benefits that MobileHMI provides to our customers is that they're not tethered to the control room anymore. So those customers are able to make decisions faster, in real time, and react to problems before they occur.
With Windows 8, the interaction between the stylus, touch, and the mouse became much more fluid.
I find myself touching the screen more and more. And if I ever go back to my laptop, I get a lot of smudges on the screen.
Windows 8 gives us everything we need. We're able to operate on the desktop, on a laptop, and we're able to operate on Surface devices. So it's really exciting for us that we can do it one time and it deploys everywhere.